Welcome back to Photo Hacks 101, the channel where we turn confusing camera settings into light bulb moments. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more photography tips and tricks to level up your shots. Have you ever wondered why some photos have that dreamy, blurry background while others keep everything sharp? The secret isn't magic, it's aperture. And today, we're unlocking the mysteries of f-stops, depth of field, and how aperture ties into shutter speed and ISO. Let's get to it.
What is aperture? Think of aperture as the pupil of your camera. Just like your eyes get bigger in the dark to let in more light, your camera's aperture does the same thing. The aperture is simply the opening in the lens that controls how much light passes through. Here's the fun part. A lower f-stop number, like f1.4, means a wider opening. That lets in more light, but it also makes less of your photo in focus. Perfect for dreamy portraits where the eyes are sharp but the background melts away into buttery bokeh. On the flip side, a higher f-stop number, like f16, means a smaller opening. Less light gets in, but way more of your scene is in focus. That's why landscape photographers love high f-stops. Everything from the flowers in the front to the mountains in the back stays sharp. Here's where it gets interesting. Aperture doesn't work alone. If you open up your aperture wide, your camera needs a faster shutter speed to compensate. So your photo isn't overexposed. Close down your aperture and you can use a slower shutter speed or maybe a bump in ISO to keep things bright enough. It's all part of the exposure triangle. Aperture, shutter speed, and ISO working together like a photography tag team.
So remember, wide aperture, low f-stop equals more light, shallow depth of field, creamy backgrounds. Narrow aperture, high f-stop equals less light, deeper depth of field, sharp group shots and landscapes. And don't forget how shutter speed and ISO jump into the mix. If this helped make aperture click for you, smash that like button. Drop your questions in the comments and subscribe for more photography hacks every week. Now get out there and start experimenting. Your camera's waiting.